What excites me about aviation is the way that it connects people. It's so cool how so many different people from so many different backgrounds can all come together for one thing and celebrate it. I think that's pretty cool.
What excites me about aviation is the potential to advance our understanding of science and engineering in flight. So to get a better understanding of how things interact with the environment, exploring new technologies is very exciting to me.
So let's see, what excites me about aviation? I think there are a lot of really exciting things happening right now. Things like unleaded avgas, electric aircraft, all those things are really exciting to me.
What excites me about aviation is probably just the freedom and the community. The general aviation community especially is super tight-knit and super friendly, and it's unique to anything else.
Reward that you've given us has been incredible. How the parts are made and the composites from layers of fabric into an entire airplane. I thought that was really, really cool to see.
I think the best part of the aviation manufacturing experience has probably just been all the flying we've been getting to do.
It was a great learning experience for all of us on the team. We learned a lot about the flight test process, the design process, basically everything that goes into designing and testing an airplane.
I've enjoyed meeting the people who build the aircraft. That's not something that everyone gets to do. It's interesting to see how they all come from different backgrounds and they all are trying to do things, one, for the product, but also for themselves and for the people around them, the community in general. It's really interesting and really inspiring to see how everyone's working to make it possible, but at the same time, they're working to make it more than what is possible.